and welcome to today's episode. Your building's facade is the first line of defense against the elements. There's only a certain amount of patching that can be done to extend the lifespan of a crumbling or outdated exterior. If you're finding air or water infiltration, the leaks may present as staining, drafts, or even extreme damage. It may be time to consider recladding, and you can use this opportunity to create an efficient barrier with less maintenance and an updated look. Here are a few examples of recladding that have been completed with our Ceramatex, sintered ceramic, and Elemex aluminum facade system. Solstex is our solar facade that could be incorporated as you are updating and planning for environmental and efficiency considerations. Our project management team is your resource to help optimize, coordinate, and facilitate your project. Contact us today and let us assist you in choosing the best products for your reclad project.